application.
We're going to test 2 plates in the kitchen for the air, to see the air room quality. Okay, it's been 1 hour, so now we will close these up and seal it. It says seal with tape. Okay, this is day 5 of when we first started testing for mold in the air in the kitchen. And these are the results that we have now.
Don't open it.
Okay. But as you can see, these are the results of what it is. And so far, there's nothing to worry about. It's common mold in certain areas. So one of them is penicillium, and didn't want to mess it up.